So let's see what rows are there in our table. Okay. Now I want to update the details. Wherever ID number is 2, I need to update the name. So how do I do? We have a command called update. So update table, and wherever what you want to change and which column you want to change is you're supposed to give. So for example, this is the update students table. Set name is equal to Sannidhi, where ID is equal to 2. When we run it, ID has been changed without any warnings. Let's execute it once again. Changed? Understood? Yeah. Update students. What do you want to update? You have to set the name, right? Set the value. Update students, set which column, what value you want to change, and you need to provide a reference where ID is equal to 2. So what does it do? In the students table, where the ID is equal to 2, it changes the name to Sannidhi. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Now let me change where ID is equal to 1. Set name Neelima CH, where ID is 1. How do I see whether it's done or not? We'll just execute it. And you'll get here. It's 1 rows affected, 1 changed, warnings 0. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Is the update command clear, Ashmita?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now, if you want to drop the entire table, we put drop. If you want to delete only a specific column or row of that particular table, we use not a column, row. We use this delete from students where ID is equal to 1. What happens? Wherever the ID 1 is there, that would be deleted. 1 row affected. Understood?
Yes.
Yeah. Now let's just get a fast review of it. How do we insert a row? Insert into students values 1 Neelima. If we have multiple values, how do we insert? Comma, 2 is already there, 3, Asmita, 4, Anshuman. Right? Insert. Okay, there is a mistake here. See, instead of a comma I have kept. So now everything seems fine. Done. 3 rows affected. Let's see if we have entered everything in the right way, the way we want. Yes? Fine? Now,
Yes.
Next, update. We want to add some more, okay? So how do you update? Update in the students table where set name is equal to Neelima CH, where ID is equal to 1. Now once I execute it, run it, Neelima CH has come. Yes?
Ma'am, here the commands are not case sensitive.
No. You can give any way you want.
That's what I was saying out here.
Yeah. But this is a nice way of doing it. You're supposed to do it this way, but we get lazy and I keep doing it this way. Okay? Now, how do we delete? So delete from students where ID is equal to 2 we kept. Will this work? Greater than 2? Let's try. See, 2 rows affected. So anywhere the ID which is greater than 2 would be deleted. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear, Ashmita? Yeah. So delete is done, select is done. We know where. We know, right? Where should we? Do you want again some operation on that where? It's fine. Shall we do it?
Um,
So select star from students where name is equal to Nilima CH. Will it work?
no.
Why?
Here Nilima CH is different, no?
It
It's small
worked.
c.
It worked. One second. One second. Hello. హలో
సిద్ధు,
అమ్మా చెప్పండి
రేపు నాది క్యాన్సిల్ అయిందిమ్మా.
ఏంటిదా అమ్మా
అదే అప్పుడు ఒక ఫంక్షన్ ఉందన్నాను కదా,
ఆ,
అది క్యాన్సిల్ అయింది.
ఓకే
ఆ,
మ్,
చూడు సాటర్డే సండే కూడా దానికి సెలవు అన్నావు కదా,
ఆ,
వస్తానంటే వచ్చేసి.
అది చెప్తాను అమ్మ నిన్ను చైనా క్లాస్లో ఉన్నాను
ఓకే ఓకే ఓకే.
ఆ, ఆ. ఓకే సో దట్స్ యాక్చువల్లీ కేస్ ఇన్సెన్సిటివ్ అండర్స్టూడ్
Yes, ma'am. Even the strings out here, whatever we call it, are insensitive.
ఎస్ అండర్స్టూడ్ సో
Hmm.
వేర్ is useful to select the rows whichever you have from the table. Whenever you want to select some specific rows matching to a specific condition, where is used. Okay, now let's alter this table with age section. Okay, how do we do? Alter table, add column name, alter table students.
Ma'am,
Add age int. Now what happens? The table would be altered. Let's select again. Okay, age column has been added where everything is null, because now only we have added, right? Understood? How do
yes,
we
ma'am.
add a new column, Ashmita?
Yes.
Yeah. Now let's insert the value so that we can perform some other actions in it. Update students, set age is equal to 44 where id is equal to 1. So one age is updated, and let's update the second age where id is equal to 2. Let's check this. Age is added, right? Now let's add some more columns into it. Where was our insert statement here? Insert values 3. Ashmita, I'm just, yeah, let's insert, and then age. Everywhere the ages have come, right? Till now it's clear. How do we alter, change, and insert?
Ma'am,
Yes.
I have a question, ma'am.
Yeah.
Can we instead of the columns containing the what we call it the descriptors, we can have the rows containing the descriptors, and each column would have all the values. Can it be is it
No.
possible?
As far as I know, no. Column?
No, no.
No. We can't transpose it, I think so. No, we can't transpose it.
Yes, ma'am.
But why do you need it in that way?
No, I was just thinking, like, is it
Easy.
possible? Because
No, how do you retrieve it? For example, you have all the names, age is 1 to 100. Okay.
Hmm.
Age 1, age 2, age 3 can be your columns. Names can be your values. That is okay. That can be done. Because you know what is your column now.
Yes, ma'am.
That is okay. It depends on your need. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's get into the, this part is clear, right? Now select
Yes.
asterisk from students gives you all the details of all the columns and all the rows which are present. But if I just want to see only the age, give the column whichever you want. If I want to see age and name, okay,
Agent.
understood?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
that's how you get this information. Next, this also is covered, and this also can be where, here this can be combined with name, where age is greater than equal to 20. Now how many rows will I get? I get only 2. Ah, sorry, 4. Okay, understood? So
Yes.
star gives you all age. You can mention only the column which you want to see. You can age multiple, you can mention multiple columns, and you can also give greater than equal to, where it gives you the only those specific. So this is all. This is filtered at the column level. Only one column is displayed. This is filtered at the column level as well as at the each row level. Okay, understood the difference?
Yes, ma'am.
Now this you can also give multiple operators. For example, imagine there is an other name, id 5, id 6. Oh, duplicate, oh sorry. 5 6. What did I do? Okay, somewhere I made the change, right? Where did I do the change? Okay, now we have so many rows. Okay, now what shall we do is, you have different aggregative commands.
Ma'am, was ID key a primary key? Was
Ah,
ID a
yes,
primary
yes,
key?
yes. Yesterday we made it.
Uh-huh.
We have count star. Count star means, what does star give? Star gives the entire thing, right? Yes. Count
Yes, ma'am.
star
Yes.
means just gives you the count. 6 rows are there. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you have another function called average. So AVG calculates the average. This is an aggregate function which gives the average age. In the same way, you have the max and you have the min also. Max age 64, min age 11. Understood? These are called the aggregate functions: count, average, max and min. Okay, for this we might have to have an other, how do I explain this, group by name I can give. We'll try. Select star count from students group by name. So it check the manual that select. I think I can't give star. I have to give name only. No. Comma. Select list is not in a group by clause and contains non-aggregate. Name is there, na? Name can be done. So what we have done here is select the column name, okay, and count. Okay, let me explain you from where I have to explain this. Forget about this. Select from students table, group by name. So it goes to the group column, name column, and groups them by the name. Okay. In our original table, Neelima, 2 entries were there. And we are counting, we are asking to display the name column and the count. These are 2 queries actually. Let me explain you once again. This part, select star from students group by name. So when I execute this, okay, select name from students group by name, because I'm asking to show the name by grouping by the name. I can't use a star there. So in the students table, go to the name column and group them by the name column, okay, and display only their names. Understood?
Yes.
So initially we had 6 rows. Because Neelima is repeated twice, we have 5 now. Now how do I get the count of it? Count star. Everything is running. Okay.
What happened, ma'am?
No. Instead of just executing this, I ran everything and it ran. Okay. By automatically, when I just keep this and execute without selecting, all the commands from above would be executed.
Oh, ma'am.
So we have to select this and execute it. And if you see here, Neelima is grouped because there are 3 entries by Neelima. It's grouped into 3. Understood this part?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Asmita?
Yes, ma'am.
Now on this we can have another clause. Show me the content wherever having count greater than 2. Then only Neelima would be displayed here. Understood this? You might find it little difficult, but just break it down. So what we have done here, select, I'll just execute it once again for your thing. Select name from students group by name. Is this command clear to you people?
Yes, ma'am.
So here we have just grouped it by the name and we are displaying only the name column. That's the reason we got it like this. Now to get the count of it, what do we do? Name, comma, count for each one, count the number of rows and print it. And from here it's clear that Neelima is present 3 times. And this can be further filtered to have, you want to see only the duplicates which are present having count greater than 1. Only Nilima is present thrice. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, what's the difference between both? I couldn't get it.
What is the difference between?
I mean, count in the first line and then count greater than 1.
Here if we count, it counts and displays everything. Nilima CH name is present 1, Sanidhi is present 1, Ashmita is present 1, Nilima is present thrice. Okay?
Okay.
And here it counts and displays only the names whose count is greater than 1. It's an additional filter.
Okay.
Okay? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
In the same way, we have something called pattern matching. Where like it works like a regular expression. Let's add one more name in this. Inserted. Yes, we have. And now let's see what can be done. Now we can use it as a regular expression as well. Regular expression means select star from students where name like n percentage. Means after n it can have anything. Previously we wrote Nilima CH, right? This is the regular expression. You want to see the name starting with n. So you give like n percentage. Then it gives all the names starting with n. Now let's see if we have something starting with S. Sannidhi. Let's see if it is case sensitive. Yeah, no. It's case insensitive. Here also it's working. Understood?
Your percentage symbol is working like the caret symbol in regex.
Percentage symbol is working like any letter after it, like a regular expression.
Yes, ma'am. So in
It
regular
can have
expression, we
anything
use the
after S.
yes, ma'am.
Okay? This is the same example.
Caret S followed by plus. Sorry.
Yes.
Something like that.
Understood, Ashmita? Ashmita?
Yes. Yes.
Understood? Should I explain it?
Repeat once more.
Okay. So, let's see what are all the columns are there. Rows are there, sorry. These are all the rows. You want to see only the rows which have the name starting with N. You give it like select star from students. Previously, what did you give? Where name is equal to Nilima you have given, right? Here, where name instead of is equal to, you will put like. And you will give the pattern. You say, give me all the names starting with N. Percentage means after N it can have anything. So only the name starting with N is given, right? See? Understood?
Okay. Yes.
Now. Now we will have a subquery. You can, whatever we have written here is only a single query. Single query means select star from students. Everything is one query. But we can write multiple queries in one. That's called a subquery. What we are doing here? Select name from students. This part is clear to us. This would work, right? only names are selected.
Yes, ma'am.
Where age is greater than, this part also we know, where age is greater than 10. When we put, we get only the names whose age is greater than 10. This part is clear. Now instead of 10, they have given another query saying that give me the rows where the age is greater than the average age of the students from the students table. When I execute this, the average age, these people's age is greater than the average age. That's the reason it has printed. This is called a subquery. The main query and then another query. Understood this part?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ashmita?
Yes.
Okay. You need one more round of explanation?
No, greater than sign is actually software.
Yeah. So this part is clear, right? When a is greater than 10. This part you know. Instead of 10, we need to give the average age. But how do we get the average age? Where is the average age? This is how we get the average age, right? One way of doing it is getting the average age here, copying it and pasting it and then executing it. But in programming, this is not the right way to do. Every time we can't do this and we can't change it, right? Instead of